Why do I need to remove the previous owner's Apple ID from my Apple Watch?
Hello and welcome to our helpful guide about Apple Watches. Today, we are going to discuss a crucial topic: why and how to remove the previous owner's Apple ID from your Apple Watch. This is essential if you've bought a second-hand Apple Watch or received one as a gift.
Why should you remove the previous owner's Apple ID?
Understanding why we do things can often make the process clearer and easier. So, why do you need to remove the previous owner's Apple ID from your Apple Watch? The key reason is that the Apple Watch is closely linked to the Apple ID of the user. If you don't remove the previous owner's Apple ID, 1. You won't be able to sync the Apple Watch with your own devices or use iCloud services properly. 2. You may also encounter difficulties with software updates and installing apps, as these actions often require the Apple ID associated with the device. 3. In case the previous owner had enabled the activation lock, you could even get locked out of your device. Hence, to fully utilize your Apple Watch and tailor it to your needs, removing the previous owner's Apple ID is a critical first step.
How can you remove the previous owner's Apple ID?
So, how can you accomplish this? Let's break it down into simple steps. 1. You should ask the previous owner to unpair the Apple Watch from their iPhone. This action will automatically remove their Apple ID from the Apple Watch. 2. If that's not possible, you can reset the Apple Watch to factory settings. However, please note that this won't work if the activation lock is turned on. 3. In case of activation lock, you would need the previous owner to remove the device from their iCloud account. If that's not possible, you may need to contact Apple support for further help. And that wraps up our guide on why and how to remove the previous owner's Apple ID from your Apple Watch. We hope you found this video helpful and you're now ready to take full control of your Apple Watch. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on getting the most out of your Apple devices. Thank you for watching.